One of the first things you want to do when you start a WordPress site is reset the permalinks. Oh, it's a strange name, and who would ever think of it? But you'll find out, and that's why I bring this video out right up front. It's resetting permalinks, and here's what permalinks are, why they're important, and how you reset them. And this is going to change from theme to theme to theme. If you're a website developer, you want to know this, and if you're making your own WordPress website, you want to know this also. Now, I'm just going to go in here. I've got 2 pages in this site that I've started up, and I've got one over here called Horse World. And let's go to View from the dashboard options. And if I drag down here a little bit so that you can see the file name or the page name, it's called Horse-World. Now, of course, this would be bobduo.com, horse-world, and it would be cnn.com, abc.com, horse-world. Well, the problem is, when you start up a theme in WordPress, it's going to say, instead of domain name .horseworld, it's going to say 1234-88579. That's what it's going to say. So you really don't want that for SEO, search engine optimization purposes, and just general file organization. And if I go to my dashboard, and if I go to my pages option here to see all pages, I mean, what do you want to see here? Horse World, the name of the file, or do you want to see ABC 8929-5522? That's how it gets stored in the database. So what you want to do is you want to come down here in the dashboard or wherever you can see these lovely options here, and you want to go to Settings, and you want to find Permalinks. Who would have thought? Who would have known? And you click Permalinks, and then you want to change the default option. And you can see the default option is P and then the number of the page. You don't want that. You want to come down here and select post name. And in the permalink, it'll say these signs here, %, post name, and you are good to go. It's as simple as that, but if you're a web developer, this is one of the first things you want to do with a WordPress site. If you're making your own WordPress site for the first time, this is one of the first things that you want to do. That is how you reset your permalinks.